You've just made your first tie-dye shirt. It looks bright, colorful, and perfect. And now comes the most important step, washing it. Wash it the wrong way, and all those beautiful colors can fade, bleed, or turn into a muddy mess. Wash it correctly, and your shirt will stay vivid for years. So let's go over exactly how to wash tie-dye shirts in a washing machine, step by step. Step 1. Let the dye set. After dyeing your shirt, don't rush to wash it right away. Tie-dye needs time to bond with the fabric fibers. Keep the shirt in a plastic bag or wrap it in plastic wrap so it stays damp. Let it sit for at least 8 to 24 hours. The longer it rests, the more vibrant and permanent the colors will be. If you rinse too soon, you'll wash away dye that hasn't had time to set, and the result will look faded. Step 2. Rinse out the excess dye. Before your shirt ever touches the washing machine, it needs a cold rinse. Put on gloves because even after setting, some loose dye will still bleed. Rinse the shirt in cold running water until the water runs almost clear. Start with the shirt still tied, then gradually untie it as you rinse. This helps prevent colors from running into each other. Keep rinsing until no more dye comes out. That means the fabric is ready for washing. Step 3. The first wash. Now it's time for the washing machine. For the first wash, it's important to wash your new tie-dye shirt all by itself. Loose dye can still bleed out and you don't want it staining other clothes. Set your washing machine to a cold or warm water cycle, not hot. Hot water can make the colors fade. Add a small amount of mild detergent, nothing fancy, just a basic dye-free formula. Avoid bleach or strong detergents because they can strip color. Let the washer complete a full cycle, then check your shirt. If the water is clear and the colors look stable, you've done it right. Step 4. The first dry. You can dry your shirt in a machine, but it's better to air dry it the first time. Hang it up in a shaded, well-ventilated area and let it dry completely. Avoid direct sunlight at this stage because UV light can dull fresh dye. Once it's dry, your shirt is ready to wear, but the washing routine isn't over yet. The first few washes are still critical for long-term color protection. Step 5. The next few washes. For the next 3 or 4 washes, continue washing your tie-dye shirt separately. Cold water is your best friend. It locks in the colors and prevents bleeding. Use a gentle cycle with a small amount of detergent and skip the fabric softener. It can break down dye molecules. When you're done, air dry or tumble dry on a low setting. After several separate washes, the color will stabilize, and you can start washing it with similar colors. What not to do. There are a few common mistakes that can ruin your hard work. Don't wash a new tie-dye shirt with white clothes. Even if it looks stable, there's always a bit of loose dye left. Don't use fabric softeners or bleach. And don't overload your washing machine. Overcrowding can cause friction that fades the design or makes colors blend. Give your shirt enough space to move freely during the wash. Final tip. Tie-dye isn't just about colors, it's about creativity. Every wash changes the shirt slightly, making it more personal over time. By washing carefully, you keep those colors alive and protect the story your design tells. So take an extra minute each time you wash. Your shirt will thank you by staying bright, bold, and one of a kind. Washing tie-dye might sound tricky, but it's simple once you know the rules. Cold water, gentle detergent, no bleach, and a little patience. That's the formula for keeping your creations looking amazing. So the next time you pull a fresh tie-dye from the washer, you'll know those colors are there to stay.